I was at work one day, calling on a customer who wasn't answering her phone. Her voicemail message started out in the usual way. "We're not home. Leave a message." What followed was not so usual. It continued. "By the way, we've recently made some changes in our life. If we don't call you back, you're one of the changes. Beep." My first reaction was disbelief at what was probably one of the rudest messages I had ever heard. And I've heard quite a few. But I couldn't get it off my mind. And by the end of the day, I had changed my perspective. I began to admire this woman, who was obviously at the end of her rope. She was very determined, for whatever reason, to end relationships that were affecting her life in a negative way. Change is never easy, especially when it requires us to dramatically alter the way we've become accustomed to living our lives. Leaving our comfort zone, no matter how much we dislike it, requires a combination of bravery and determination, as well as education in that area. Many times, we're so desperate to better ourselves, we hastily make ineffective and sometimes expensive decisions that we feel will quickly produce the results we are looking for. Purchasing a costly gym membership and vowing to attend 7 days a week while surviving on lettuce may seem like a great idea for a few weeks if you're determined. But how long can you live like that? If you're serious about making a long-term change in life, take some of these steps to ensure your success. 1. Educate yourself. Set reasonable goals. 3. Plan and track. 4. Just say no. Avoid situations that will prevent you from accomplishing your goals. This is especially important in the beginning, before your new way of life comes natural to you. And 5. Pat yourself on the back. Be proud of yourself for making the decision to improve your quality of life.